The word for wine in Italian is
vino,
masculine, plural.
vini. Vino,
As you can imagine, there are lots of different types of wine. Here are some common names:
vino rosso,
red wine,
vino bianco,
white wine,
vino cotto,
dense and sweet wine,
vino drogato, aromatizzato,
seasoned wine,
vino giovane,
young wine,
vino vecchio,
old wine,
vino passito.
raisin wine.
Di vino cosa vogliamo ordinare? Beh, con la carne bisogna bere il vino rosso.
What wine do we want to order? Well, with meat, you have to drink red wine. The term vino is also used for alcoholic drinks extracted from fermented fruit other than grapes, and also special plants.
Vino di mele,
Cider, or wine of apples.
vino di palma,
Palm wine.
vino di riso.
Rice wine, or sake. If you pour some water into your glass of wine to make it less strong, your friends will tease you by saying that you've baptized the wine.
Guarda Carlo, sta battezzando il vino.
Look at Carlo, he's watering down the wine. In certain cases, the O of vino is dropped with adjectives that begin with a consonant.
Vin dolce,
Sweet wine,
vin greco,
Greek wine,
vin santo,
holy wine,
vin brûlé.
hot wine. Vino can become an adjective to describe the color of red wine.
Margherita indossa un bellissimo vestito rosso vino.
Margherita wears a beautiful red dress.
Nella botte piccola c'è il vino buono.
In the small barrel there is good wine. Good things come in small packages.
Buon vino fa buon sangue.
Good wine makes good blood. Good wine makes good cheer.
Dire pane al pane e vino al vino.
To say bread to bread and wine to wine. To say things as they are, to be frank.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.